Understanding UK parliamentary systems, an exploration of the key structures and principles that shape British governance, from parliamentary committees to constitutional foundations. The committee system. Parliament divides its workload among smaller groups, called committees, enabling detailed examination of policies, legislation, and government actions more efficiently than in full parliamentary sessions. Select committees examine government departments and agencies. Example: Home Affairs Select Committee scrutinizes immigration and policing. Public Bill Committees review proposed legislation and suggest amendments before parliamentary passage. Joint Committees. Members from Commons and Lords tackle cross-house issues like international treaty scrutiny. Constitutional monarchy. A system where the monarch serves as ceremonial head of state, while elected officials hold political power. The UK monarch's powers are largely ceremonial, with real authority resting in Parliament and the Prime Minister. Ceremonial duties: opening Parliament, royal assent to bills, international representation, political power. House of Commons. Elected MPs. Holds real authority, executive leadership. Prime Minister leads the party with most common seats. Evolution of the Lord Chancellor. Historical role: head of judiciary, cabinet member, and presiding officer in the House of Lords. Constitutional Reform Act 2005 separated judicial and executive functions. Modern position: now heads Department for Constitutional Affairs. Supreme Court handles judicial role. The Privy Council, a formal advisory body to the monarch consisting of senior politicians, judges, and notable figures. While historically powerful, its role has evolved significantly. Advisory function: advises the monarch on state matters, though most government decisions now rest with the cabinet. Judicial authority: acts as highest court of appeal for British overseas territories and crown dependencies, though limited since the Supreme Court's 2009 establishment. Act of Settlement 1701. Landmark legislation determining the line of succession to the throne, created after the Glorious Revolution of 1688 that deposed Catholic King James II. Protestant succession: only Protestant descendants of Princess Sophia of Hanover can ascend to the throne. Parliamentary supremacy: monarch cannot abolish laws or raise taxes without Parliament's consent. Modern succession updates: the Succession to the Crown Act 2013 modernized the Act of Settlement by removing gender bias in the line of succession, ensuring equal rights regardless of gender. Extradition. International justice: the formal process of surrendering individuals accused or convicted of crimes to another jurisdiction for trial or sentencing. Extradition treaties: agreements between countries, EU, US, others, enabling legal transfers. Extradition Act 2003, UK legal framework listing extraditable offenses like murder and fraud. Human rights protection: courts can block extradition if unfair trial or inhumane treatment risks exist. Extradition in practice: extradition ensures individuals accused of crimes cannot escape justice by fleeing to another country, serving as a crucial tool for international cooperation. While generally straightforward, the process balances international obligations with fundamental human rights protections, ensuring fair treatment for all individuals. Key takeaways: efficient organization. Committee systems enable detailed policy examination and informed parliamentary decisions. Balanced governance. Constitutional monarchy combines tradition with democratic accountability. Continuous evolution. UK institutions adapt through reforms while preserving constitutional foundations. International cooperation. Extradition frameworks ensure justice across borders with human rights safeguards.